On to at 5, the Navy says it is pausing all operations in Haiti after 19 people went overboard from the USNS Comfort. Officials say it happened around 7:30 last night while people were transferring from a smaller boat onto the Comfort. 2 sailors had minor injuries. The Navy says hospital ship personnel were providing medical care to the citizens of Haiti when this accident happened. The Comfort will pause all ship-to-shore operations until the Navy finds a safer way to transport sailors.